Good afternoon, team. Uwe Jacobs from Property Friends. I trust you're well. Sorry for the husky voice. The air conditioning got me, so got a bit of a strange voice. Anyway, we are talking about Townsville, and the summary is it's going off like a rocket. That's really what is happening here. I've had meetings with rental managers of a couple of our properties. The vacancy rate that is extremely low is confirmed by the immediate uptake of rentals through the property managers. It is amazing how fast properties are being rented and the prices are going up and up and up. It is something that I normally do. I like looking over the last, say, 10 projects that we've done, check up on it and see how it's going, meet with the rental manager and have a discussion, do a drive-by, send the owners a photo. That's just part of the service as far as I'm concerned, because I'm in the game myself. That's information that I would want, and that's why we're providing that to the owners. Now, in regards to the meetings with the developers and builders, I've said it in the beginning, Townsville is running hot and it's only going to get hotter. That's, from my point of view, very clear. And that is both in value as well as in rent. So I see the capital growth in Townsville to pull up more, and I see the rentals to pull up more, which is really in line with the cycle. And I have said before that I consider Townsville to be 8 to 12 months behind Cairns, and that's exactly the story there. So case in point, one developer released about 35 lots about 2 weeks ago, and they're all gone, they're all spoken for, partly under contract, partly on hold, partly in discussion for contract, and so on and so forth. Another developer released 24 lots or so on Friday. Today, Tuesday, 4 days after, and over the weekend, every one of those lots is spoken for. Now, that is what I call a tight market. In discussions with the builders, some builders are even not quoting anymore. They are that chock-a-block up to the middle of next year for starting work that they don't take any work on anymore. Now, other builders are quoting me a February to March start, and we are just lucky that we are in the game, that we've got our fingers in the pie, so to speak, that we've got land available to us, and have builders that we've worked with before and that will facilitate a great outcome. So if you want to know any more about Townsville and property investment in Townsville, by all means, book a discovery call, and at the bottom of our website is a link, and we can have a chat about it. Now, the real question is, will this continue? And my answer to that is yes, at least for another 8 to 12 months. There is great money to be made, as far as I'm concerned. Of course, the best money was to be made a year ago, but the second best money to be made is now. It's the old odyssey in real estate. Time in the market is better than timing the market. There's good money to be made because there will be further price increases in the land, definitely, and there may even be further price increases in the pricing of the builds. It is quite expensive in Townsville to build, more expensive than in Cairns, which is a bit of a strange thing to me. But when in Rome, do as the Romans, don't fight them, join them. That's the way we do things. And that's why the local knowledge and being on site is so important. I often talk about that we are really deeply immersed in the market. And that shows by us having deals, being able to do deals when others just bomb out. So anyway, Townsville, great market to get involved in. If you want to know any more, give me a shout and we'll have a discovery call. And remember, you got to be in it to win it. Have a good one.